Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to save or export a video from CapCut to gallery. So if you have your file ready already on your CapCut and you want to export this to your gallery or files, then you're onto the right guide. So these steps actually work on both PC and your mobile phones. So you'll just need to make sure that you have the file ready, just like this one. And once you're done editing, you should be able to find in here onto the upper part, the export button. So what you need to do, you'll just need to click onto that one, and here onto PC, since we're using this, you should be able to see in here the title and where it will be exported to. So you have the option to choose onto which file folder this certain file will go or be saved, and you could also change the title in here. So there are a lot of options also in here. You could choose the resolution for this, the bitrate, the codec, its format, and its frame rate. If you want to export its audio, then you could go ahead and just simply click onto this one. And you could also export this as a GIF, add in a caption exporting, or you could also run a copyright check for this one. So you'll just need to toggle this one on. Here onto the bottom part, you could see its duration and also the size of the file. And once you're already set, just simply click onto export and it will go ahead and do the process. So as you can see, it has been saved already, and you could just go ahead and review this onto your gallery or files. And that is just basically it, how you save or export a video from CapCut to gallery. If you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.